Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys screen lock pin setting. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you set your pin lock in your Tecno phone device. If you want to set guys your pin locks, so guys you can set. And guys now let's see how to set pin lock in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So guys now let's start the video friend. First of all open your phone setting to set pin lock. Then guys scroll it and guys click on your security setting. Then guys again guys click on your screen lock and guys click on your pin. So guys you can set guys your pin lock from here. So guys tap here and guys enter your pin and guys don't forget your pin guys. If you forget then guys you will have to erase your old data. So guys be careful here guys because guys there is no any option to check our pin. So guys be careful. So guys I will enter example for guys 1 2 3 4 normal pin guys and confirm. And guys now time to check password. So as you can see guys we have this pin lock. So we will enter password to open our phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pin lock in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Then guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.